let you know. Ready to spend some time. I wanna spend some time. Needed some time to grow. Just thought I'd let you know. Ready to spend some time. I wanna spend some time. Ready to talk, baby. Can be your rock, baby. Please come and sit with me or take a walk with me. I need to speak to you. Just wanna be with you. Just let me take you for a ride. Is there a chance that we could make...
Turnhout is located in the Flemish province of Antwerp. It is known for its playing card industry as it houses the head office of the world's largest manufacturer of playing cards, Carta Mundi. It has also one of the largest cultural centers in Belgium. Turnhout holds the biannual comic festival, the oldest and one of the largest comic festivals of Flanders.
Ready to spend some time. I wanna spend some time. No, I was dumb, baby. Just way too young, baby. I was too blind to see what you meant to me. The things you can't forgive, didn't know how to live, cause I didn't love myself. Wish I could turn back time, go back and do things right. Give you a wedding ring, give you my everything, and be there by your side. Share a life and have a child. Don't wanna take it slow. Just wanna let you...
The age of this church is unknown. However, the result of centuries of work is simply marvelous. The well-known interior is a feast to the eyes as there is no trace of devastation during the iconoclasm. The pulpit, the high altar, the sculptures and paintings are just some of the reasons why you have to visit this church.
I'm hanging on to, I may be, I miss you every day. You were the one who got away. Been thinking about you lately. I'm hanging on to, I may be, I miss you every day. You were the one who got away. Don't wanna take it slow. Just wanna let you know. Ready to spend some time. I wanna spend some
This castle was originally the first Duke of Brabant's hunting lodge. Since then, the impressive building has been known as a jail, city warehouse, fire station, and weaving school. It was scheduled for demolition after having been damaged from the previous wars. Fortunately, the castle was purchased by the province and then later restored. It has been a listed monument since 1936. Today, it houses the court of Turnhout.